He had to make a decision. He took the sergeant's test. He passed it. Now he's moving on. Hopefully, we'll get him back in the 4-9 on patrol as a sergeant. Chris, come up here.
Thank you, Tony and Jeremy, for allowing me to say, you know, I've been here 15 years and I just really wanted to come and say goodbye because, you know, all of you are like family. You know, when I came to the precinct, I used to come to go to Fordham Road as a kid. You know, you take the 60 bus to Fordham Road, but you come through this community and you never really knew the people. But when I was assigned here, you saw people like Al D'Angelo, you know, backing you on a job. You had Vinny. When I had a burglary call, he would come in a car and, you know, I would say, Vinny, we need to wait for the backup. He's like, no, I am the backup, you know, so. But, you know, I got to know, you know, Frank. You know, Frank helped start the boxing program with Morris Park. When I got to the precinct, Joe Rita welcomed me, you know, and he spoke to the youth. So when I came here, I was like, wow, this is a nice place to work. And as I got to know the people, especially Dom Castor, you know, he told me, like, he did this when he was young, and he told me stories. And John Fratta, he was out there with me when we were doing building inspections, and you know, I really got to know the people. And as I got to know the community, like Bernadette, I said, Bernadette, could we start a basketball program at St. Dominic? She was, yeah, let's start a basketball program. If I wanted to start a boxing program at Morris Park, Al and Councilman Baca, they were like behind it. You know, if you wanted to do something with any of the associations, you know, fine, you know, the elected officials. If you wanted to do graffiti cleanup, you know, Pelham was there. So I really wanted to thank you guys for letting me serve you, and hopefully, oh yes, and the Coops was always there. Every association, if I forgot anybody, they was all supportive. And then Marshall was always, you know, and can't forget Joe Thompson. And Joe Bombays was always, you know, we had the Cops and Kids softball practices at Bronx Park East, but he would come out there and practice with the kids, and you know, this is volunteer, you know, and thank you guys for everything, and appreciate it.
Where you going, Chris? Where are you going?
I don't know where I'm going.
Edith, could you hold off for a couple of minutes? We got two motions, one with the parks, and the other one, it'll take about 5 minutes. We got to get Diane back in.